Class action specialists versus individual plaintiff law firms. Which one is better for mass claims? Most people think that hiring a traditional plaintiff law firm is sufficient for handling large-scale claims. The surprising truth is that class action specialists are often better equipped for managing mass claims efficiently from start to finish. Individual plaintiff firms excel at representing one client and focusing intensely on their case. This works well for smaller or unique disputes, but when hundreds or thousands of claimants are involved, coordinating resources, filings and communication becomes a logistical challenge. Class action specialists, however, are structured to manage collective litigation. They have systems for grouping claims, managing client communication and negotiating settlements on a large scale. For instance, in consumer protection cases or securities fraud claims involving thousands of investors, these specialists can efficiently administer notifications, compile damages, and coordinate legal strategy across jurisdictions. The key difference is scale and expertise. Individual plaintiff firms provide personalized attention, but may struggle with logistics and efficiency for mass claims. Class action specialists bring experience, infrastructure, and procedural knowledge that streamline complex multi-party litigation. Often, they can achieve better outcomes faster while keeping costs proportionate. The takeaway is clear: for mass claims, specialized class action teams deliver superior coordination, efficiency, and strategic management. The surprising truth is that choosing a firm with the right scale can directly impact settlement size, speed, and overall success.